and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight. Every week on Mondays, we promote YouTube channels from our members' Facebook groups that we know you'll learn from and enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have clickable links below the video. To access the link, simply click the More button and use the link next to each listed channel. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. The first channel of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is Melissa Barnes, owned by Melissa Barnes. She says about her channel, I have been an artist and a crafter all my life. In 2019, I embarked upon an amazing journey creating junk journals. My channel has mainly focused on the design team projects I have created. I also have a few how-to walkthroughs and plan on many more. I do hope you join me in this exciting adventure. The second channel of the week, selected by Teri S, is Makincrafts, owned by Susan Reynolds. Susan says about her channel, I love creating all sorts of items. I'm blessed to be able to work as an artisan for a living. For my channel, I share projects that I create. I love sharing tutorials and process videos of mixed media, mini albums, cards, planners, and my most recent love of junk journals. The third channel of the week, selected by Lippincott, is Jean Peter Artist, owned by Jean Peter. Kim says about Jean's channel, Jean Peter is an artist who does it all from painting to jewelry and macrame and more. She has a very unique style and loves to think outside the box. She provides inspiration and tutorials and gives selflessly by volunteering for the Disabled Artists Foundation Incorporated, where she designs kits for others to create with. Her imagination is endless. She's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so let's help her get there. If you would like to be considered for membership to the UCC group, and have a YouTube channel and a Facebook group of at least 200 members, email us at uccgroup2021@gmail.com with member in the subject. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday with the next UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels.